So hello everyone. Now today I'm going to see if in Wobbly life a swing can kick a helicopter. Yeah. Let's see. Doesn't seem like it worked. Let's try that again. Oh, still doesn't seem like it working. Why? Okay. Well, looks like the plane is stuck inside of Uh, looks like the looks like the helicopter is stuck in the side. There's a swing. Um. Okay, uh, I'm gonna get a new helicopter. Okay, got to myself another helicopter. So let's see. Oh wait, no, there's not even anyone on here. Oh well, looks like we're gonna see if it can do it by itself. Do 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 do. Wee. Well, looks like I'm flying. Owie. P. So that's it. So bye everyone.